हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल आंशी वर्मा। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं विप्रो एंड अवर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज में पूछे जाने वाले टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस की, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए और ये सारे कोर टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हैं। आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपकी डेफिनेटली हेल्प करने वाले हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। ओके, फर्स्टली जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है मोस्टली प्लेसमेंट कंपनीज में, वो पूछा जाता है मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट इन सी। व्हाट इज मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट इन सी? The answer of this question is the C programming language manages memory statically, automatically, or dynamically. Static duration variables are allocated in main memory, usually along with the executable code of the program, and persist of the lifetime of the program. Automatic duration variables are allocated on the stack and come and goes on functions are called in return. Okay, for static duration and automatic duration variables, the size of the allocation is required to do compile time constant. And dynamic memory allocation, in which memory is more explicitly but more flexibly managed, typically by allocating it from the heap and area of memory structured for this purpose. In C, the library function malloc is used to allocate a block of memory on the heap. The program accesses this block of memory by a pointer that malloc returns. When the memory is no longer needed, the pointer is passed to free, which deallocates the memory so that it can be used for other purposes. Okay, so this is the short description about memory management in C. नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है वो है व्हाट इज द फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। ओके, so the answer of this question is an operating system is a set of software that manages computer hardware, resources, and provide common services for computer programs. To act an interface between hardware and users, an operating system must be able to perform the following functions. First one is enable startup application programs. Thus, the operating system must have a text editor, a translator, and editor of links. Okay. Second one is the allocation of resources needed to execute programs is done by identifying the programs that are running, the need of memory, the need for memory, peripheral devices, and data protection requirements. Third one is facilities for data compression, sorting, mixing, cataloging, and maintenance of libraries through utility programs available. Okay, and fourth one is plan implementation work according to certain criteria for efficient use of central processing unit. Fifth one is assisting implementation of programs through computer users communication system at both hardware and software level. Example of operating systems are BS2000, BS3000, DOS, PC-DOS, MS-DOS, Linux, Solaris, Mac OS, Unix and Windows. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है वो होता है स्टूडेंट व्हाट द यूज ऑफ आईपी एड्रेस। ओके, दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज an internet protocol address IP address is a numerical level assigned to each device, example computer, printer, etc. Participating in a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. An IP address serves two principal functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. Okay, next question की हम बात करते हैं what is the difference between unique and primary key constraints. Okay, so this question comes in SQL language. So answer of this question is a unique constraint is similar to primary key, but you can have more than one unique constraint per table. Contrary to primary key, unique constraint can accept null but just once. If the constraint is defined in a combination of fields, then every field can accept null and can have some values on item, as long as the combination value is unique. Okay, now we are talking about question number 5. Question number 5 is what are the steps involved in designing? So the steps involved in designing are: first one is project plan, second one is requirements, third one is design, fourth one is coding, Fifth one is testing. Sixth one is recoding and designing. Okay, and seventh one is development, and last step is maintenance of your project. Okay, now we are talking about question number 6. What is the difference between interface and multiple interface? So, the answer of this question is both an abstract class and an interface are specific types of computer objects that allow a program to loosely define one type of object as if it were another type, while retaining all the object's original properties. While multiple different computers languages use one or both of these concepts, Java is the most well-known abstract classes and interface have a variety of similarities but also incorporate significant differences in structure, syntax, and uses. Okay, so this is the difference between interface and multiple interface. Now we are talking about question number 7. Question number 7 is how can we delete duplicate row in a table? So this question is also from SQL. So SQL angle bracket delete from table name where row ID not in explain max row ID from table group by duplicate values field name. This is the command for how to delete a table, how to delete a row in a table in SQL. Okay, so जो आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर भी शो हो रहा है. Question number 8. When we do use SQL pointer, so answer of this question is SQL profile utility allows us to basically track connection to the SQL server and also determine activities such as which SQL scripts are running, failed jobs, etc. Okay, question number 9. What do you mean by active and passive objects? So answer of this question is active objects are one which instigate an interaction which allows a thread and they are responsible for handling control to other objects. In simple words, it can be referred as client. Passive objects are one which passively wait for the masses to be processed. It will for another object that require its services. In simple word, it can be referred as server. Okay. Now we are talking about question number 10. So question number 10 is what do you mean by static and dynamic modeling? So answer of this question is static modeling is used to specify a structure of the object that exists in the problem domain. These are expressed using class, object and user case diagrams, but dynamic modeling refers to representing the object interactions during runtime. It is represented by sequence, activity, collaboration and state chart diagrams. Okay, so या हम स्टॉप करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन आंसर पार्ट को. पार्ट दिस इज पार्ट 1 फॉर टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन आस्किंग इन every placement companies. Okay, thanks for watching this video, friends. See you guys in the next lecture. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like also. Thank you.